Going to make a nice drink. For this, we're gonna need the red beets. I'm gonna use one. We're gonna need 2 carrots. I'm gonna take a half of the apple, green apple, and then I'm gonna take some spinach. Yes. So for you at home who has a juicer, you can just throw in everything inside. There's no need to slice them. But yeah, I don't have a juicer as yet, so we are doing it like that. Next, we're going to peel and slice these carrots. Last, we're going to slice and peel beets. I like to use the knife. I think it's easier with it. The skin is a little bit different. Then we're going to have red fingers. Yeah. So guys, this recipe, this juice is very good for high blood pressure. As you guys know, I have this condition now for a while, and I've been working at it. I changed my completely my lifestyle of eating and exercising just to be able to maintain the blood pressure level. Because if your blood pressure is too high, you can get a lot of sickness, and it's not good for your health. So this juice is a very natural way to help you maintain the blood sugar level to a regular normal level. So I am trying, I did the red beets smoothie before, but not juice. And you know, when you do the juice without adding anything else, you get the more nutritions of the vegetables and the fruits. So I said, let me try it like this instead of adding milk and making a smoothie out of it. Of course, that's an option. If you don't really like the taste of the red beets, that can be an option for you to do. But I said I want to try this. It's kind of like a raw. If you do like this fresh juice, it's gonna be like a raw. You know, you get in the source. You getting all the ingredients right from the source. So, and me, I love red beets. I've added. We have like a recipe from our culture, Haitian culture, that we make with potato. So for me, I've been eating it already, and I like it very much. Okay guys, this is our ingredients, and of course you're gonna need some water. All right. Now it's finished with blend. Now we're going to strain it. Again, if you have a color, I'm using a smaller one because the big one seems like it had a hole or something. Let me see if this does the same thing. Oh, it does it too. You see? Normally this part not supposed to come out, but seems like it's falling. Cloth will do a better job. Pour in my bottle. Make a big mess. This is my tea and drink glass for the moment. There you have it. This is my juice. I'm gonna put it in the fridge and drink it nice and